So the bars are completely generic. The EQ only has 6 movements. You don't get the full everything, although it shows plus 12 at the top. You can't go to the top. You can't go all the way to the bottom. There's no middle like grab spot. It's just kind of cheesy. I mean, if you're just looking for looks, it looks cool. It'd be a lot better if the VU meters actually were right, you know, the bars. I don't know what that does. I mean, it's alright. It's got good sound for what it is, but it's cheesy at best.
Alright, it's in the construction area right now, so it's kind of on a shelf up out of the way. And it's powering through all these lines. Powering is on 4 of these Rockvilles. Mounted in my ceiling, 8 inches. And then it's got a subwoofer, it's also powering. Along through you get a 6-channel amp, of course, what you're seeing. Love to crank it up for you, but I think other people in the house might get upset. Enjoy.